Hi, my name is Vijay Kant. Actually, I was facing issue with my HDD hard drive, which is 1 TB capacity. So when I was connecting this hard drive to my laptop, so drive was completely corrupted and it was not showing any data. So actually, I have approached Lifeguard Data Recovery Center and I have met Mr. Zia. So I have given my hard drive to him, and where I have got my data recovered successfully. Thank you, Zia, for your extreme support. Thank you so much.
This is sir backup.
హలో ఎవ్రీవన్, నా పేరు ధర్మ. నేను ఇక్కడ హార్డ్ డిస్క్ ఒకటి కరప్ట్ అయితే అది ఇక్కడ సర్వీసింగ్ ఇచ్చాను. సో 1 TB డేటా రికవరీ చేసి ఇచ్చారు. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ డేటా రికవరీ. థ్యాంక్స్ టు జియా.
Thank you, sir. Yeah, this is sir, this is the patient drive and this is the backup drive. Thank you, sir, to coming our life for data recovery.